right now kasi this week, medyo disturbing, no? Disturbed actually ang whole community because there were series of crimes happened and ang mga involved ay minors. So I'm
Yes.
sure alam na alam nyo na ito.
Mm-hmm.
No? And I'm sure meron na rin kayong sariling opinion. But before we go to your opinions, let's first see ano nga ba itong mga nangyari. So first dig dive into the issue is ano tong mga iba't ibang crimes na nangyari. So first we have the Tacloban shooting.
Yeah.
Baka,
So,
baka meron ka masabi, Ate Mia, dyan.
so the Tacloban shooting, it happened on June 22, 2026. It involved two minors, two males, one 14 years old and one 15 years old. So they both go to San Jose National High School, and that is also where the tragedy happened. So, one of them, the 14-year-old, got his hands on a Glock 9mm semi-automatic pistol, which belonged to his auntie, who is a police officer and a lawyer.
Mm.
Now who also works there at Police Regional Office 8. And the other boy, the 15-year-old, was able to get his hands on a .38 caliber revolver, which apparently is registered to a security agency. Now, what happened? They went to school. They first hid in the toilet, met in the toilet, and then eventually went and started shooting. And in the end, three students died. Maybe you can tell us more about those who died, Mon.
Ayun na nga, itong first natin na actually na namatay, ito yung first na in-identify kasi, a grade 10 honor student and a Boy
Oo.
Scout. So siya yung
Oo.
nag-shield, siya
Mm-mm.
yung nag-barricade, nag-attempt to barricade the classroom through yung
Mm-mm.
pag-close ng door to buy
Oo.
time sana, no, para maka-escape yung mga kasamahan niya. But then, dun sa pag-block niya ng door, dun na siya nabaril.
Oo.
Oo, yun yung isa natin.
Yun si
Si
Chris.
Yes, si Chris Lawrence Fabian.
Oo. Oo.
Yung dalawa natin, actually mas ikaw yung nakatutok dito, but the names are Joyan C. Separa and Ayesa Nicole Dazo.
Oo. I think si Joyan C, siya yung nag-take ng video na naging viral. So
Yun nga na
imagine,
nagulat ako na siya pala yung nag-take ng video.
oo. But because of that video, we were able to see
Mm.
clearly, the world was able to see better what happened inside the classroom. But then,
Mhm.
at the expense of Joy and C's life,
Mm.
Joy and C Separa. And then, Ayeza Nicole Dazo naman, she was the student who was also videoed na being carried out. They were
Mm.
hoping to save her, but then she was also declared dead
Pero na
by the
nga.
physicians, oo, when they were brought to the hospital. So three died, and then 20 got injured. Now,
Yes, 20 injured.
mm-mm, some of them got injured directly by gunshots, by
Mm.
shrapnel, and the others naman because, syempre, yung panic,
Nagkagulo na eh. Oo, nagkagulo na.
nagkagulo. Oo,
Mm.
takbuhan dito, takbuhan dyan, talon,
Mm.
ganyan. So, kumusta na sila mo?
Actually, meron na tayong, I'm not sure, but we have 14 na the discharge or even more. And
Mm-mm.
then, meron pang mga ilan na nasa ICU, nagre-recover kasi medyo malala rin yung condition ng iba. May tinamaan kasi sa ulo, no? So,
Oo.
hopefully, maging okay at hindi na sana mandagdagan.
Mm, tama, tama.
Yun. Tapos, yung nakakalungkot din kasi no, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin is that it's a premeditated murder kung titignan natin no, sa atin. So of course, it would still be the court who would actually determine that. But kasi pinagplanuhan and there's actually chat logs na
Mm,
nagpapakita kung paano nag-usap yung
mm,
dalawa to kill. And ito yung medyo nag-a-argue ang lahat.
mm.
Because during their conversations, I mean, na-highlight yung juvenile justice law.
Pinag-usapan nila, no?
Pinag-usapan nila at ang
Oo.
sinasabi nila ay hindi naman sila makakasuhan.
Hindi sila maikukulong.
Hindi sila maikukulong. And they
Oo,
know, kumbaga, at some point, ang nasa isip nila is kung makukulong man sila, mapupunta sila sa bahay pag-asa.
oo, oo,
Oo.
oo.
Tapos ang
Nabasa ko
masama
nga
pa,
yun eh.
although ang masama pa kasi doon, I mean, kumbaga, they have misunderstood what the law is all about.
Mhm.
No?
Mm,
So,
mm, mm.
kaya ganun yung paniniwala nila. But then, meron din kasing news na lumabas na according to investigations, may plan din pala silang mag-suicide.
Ha? Hindi ko alam yun
Yes,
ah.
may plan din pala sila to kill themselves after. So, nangyari is that the
Ano yun?
14-year-old,
Wow!
yes, the 14-year-old medyo nag-back out, kaya siya tumakbo.
Si 15. Ay,
14.
si 14. Pero siya yung nagpaputok ng marami.
At siya yung nag-back out.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
okay.
So, eventually hanggang sa nahuli na nga sila. But they plan to like, hurt themselves after.
Oh, wow. How was that revealed? In their chat also? Or
No, no. Sa
in the interview?
investigation na nilabas. Oo. Kumbaga na
Ah,
nakausap na nila, yun
oo.
yung lumabas na yun yung lumabas na
Findings.
findings.
I see.
So, yun yung situation. But then, hindi lang kasi yan yung
Meron pa.
nangyari. Meron din kasing stabbing incident. Ito naman is at nagulat na lang ako, nag-swipe ako. Alam nyo naman, minsan malalaman talaga natin sa kakaswipe natin sa phone.
Oo.
'Di ba? Kasi ang swiping ngayon hindi lang hindi lang naman
Iba naman yun.
just to make
Hindi ko
things
pa
light.
nada-download yan. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam yan. Innocent ako.
But ito kakaswipe ko, nakita ko nga na grabe rin itong stabbing incident na talagang may isang babae rin na grabe. Sinunod-sunod niya. One chair to another.
How
Class
old siya?
classmate to another.
Ay,
Yes,
grabe ang laki
14
niya.
years old. 14 years old din siya. But ito
Oo.
naman is that wala naman yung part ng juvenile justice. Ang sinasabi lang is that she's disturbed. No?
Oo. Oo. Thankfully,
So,
walang namatay, ano, dito sa case
mm,
na ito.
wala naman. Wala. Pero yun nga, magkakasunod.
Tsaka doon siya pumunta sa grade 5.
Yes, grade 5 talaga mga
Yung
bata.
mga bata pa.
Grabe.
So,
Seven
yung
grade 5
PTSD.
students.
Mm-mm.
At alam mo dun sa video, hindi pa alam ng mga bata na nasaksak sila.
Ha?
Late yung reaction nila. As in,
Shock.
nasaksak sila, nakaganyan lang sila. Yung isa naman tumatalon lang na umiiyak. Late lang nila na-realize. Sa sobra sigurong bilis ng pangyayari.
Oo,
Di
oo,
ba?
oo.
Tsaka niya
Mm-mm.
na-realize na parang, ay, dumudugo na pala. Parang
Nasaktan na pala.
gano'n. Oo.
Oo.
Kaya kung titignan mo yung video, sobrang disturbing
Ooh.
talaga. But, dun na nga
Pero
papasok talaga. Yes, yes.
yung age niya, tama ka, doon na nga papasok yung juvenile justice law.